Alright, so it says using a calculator, George multiplied by 5 when he should have divided by 5. The display read 250. What should the correct answer be? Okay, so George has some number. We don't know what it was. He should have divided by 5 and got an answer. Instead, he multiplied by 5 and got this. Okay, so first we need to undo this and figure out what this x value is. So we do that by dividing by 5. And this will give us x equals 50. Okay, so he had 50, and he should have did 50 divided by 5, and that would give us 10. Okay, so you pretty much have to divide by 5 twice. We divide by 5 to undo multiplying by 5, and then we divide by 5 again to do what we should have done in the beginning. So the answer that he should get is 10. Alright, we'll go ahead and do 14 here. So again, with base 10 blocks. Recall from earlier, flat is a 10 by 10, representing a group of 100. A long is a long skinny 1 by 10, one row 10 dots. The unit is here. So for 224 we would have two of these, so that's 220, and we would have 4 of these. And we want to do groups of 7. Okay, so I'm going to do it all. I'm not going to write it and draw it like I did the first time, but I'll kind of talk you through it. So there's 2 flats for the groups of 100. There are 2 longs for 20, and then there are 4 units. Alright, there are blank sets of 7. So we have 2 of these, we don't have 7. So we're going to say 0 groups of 7 with 2 remaining. We're going to convert these flats to longs. So there's 20 plus the 2. It's going to give us 22 longs. And if we divide this by 7, because we know how many groups of 7 we got, this will give us 3 groups of 7 with 1 remaining. Okay, so we would have a total of 22 longs, leading to 3 groups of 7 with 1 remaining. Alright, so that 1 is a group of 10. We're going to convert that to 1. So 10 times 1 is 10, plus these 4 will give us 14. And we're going to divide this into groups of 7, and that gives us 2 with 0 remaining. So the place values from largest to smallest, we had a group of 3 for my 10s, 2 for my 1s, and nothing left over. We didn't even have any groups of 7 in the hundreds place, so we don't have a hundreds place value. We have 3, 2 with 0 remaining. So we're going to fill in the rest of these blocks. Converting those gives us a total of 14 units. Gives us 2 sets of 7. We have 0 left over. The quotient when we divide will be 32 with a remainder of 0.